Hello guys, hello Adopt Me lovers. So today we are going to make a neon alicorn. So right now I am talking to a friend to follow me to how to make a neon because right now he is new to this game. I guess he is playing for only a days or almost a week. So right now I am preparing to go to the place where we can create a neon alicorn. So if you are new to this game, so where you can find the place to make a neon is under the bridge. So going to nursery. So that's beside the park and the pizza and the nursery. So it's in the middle of a town or a place. So if you're going to make a neon, make sure that your pet is a full grown. So right now I have a 4 full grown alicorn. So I am placing it inside that circle, so 4 circle, to create a neon. So right now, let's see the outcome of our alicorn. So as you can see, it's already a neon and it's so cute. So cute. So that's all guys. So if you are going to play this game and want to make a neon, so that's the way where you can make a neon. So thank you guys for following and subscribing me, and for those who are always watching my vlog. So I am so very thankful. Thank you. Bye.